On January 12, 2010 at 4:53 p.m., disaster struck Haiti. My name is Michaela Corner, and I was one of the scientists monitoring the earthquake. Haiti sits on two plates, the Caribbean Fault and the North Atlantic Plate. This earthquake took place on the Nkrillo Plantain Garden Fault. When I was monitoring the quake, it reached a 7 on the Richter scale. This caused unrepairable damage to Haiti's communities. Several people lost their homes. The streets were lined with rubbish from buildings that had fallen.
My name is Shelby, and I was in Haiti at the time of the earthquake. It caused mass destruction and took many lives.
Alright, hi, my name is Jamie. I'm an environmental activist.
What was Haiti like before the earthquake?
There's very intense logging and deforestation all around.
What was Haiti like after the earthquake?
Rivers and other water sources were heavily polluted.
Earthquake survivors became desperate for clean water. Aid came in many different forms. Several organizations came together to provide supplies for the people of Haiti. In addition, several celebrities came together to sing the song "We Are the World" to bring awareness to Haiti and support their cause. This brought hope to the country.
After the incident, Haiti implemented a national building code and constructed buildings according to seismic.
They also trained construction workers and hired scientists to study the seismology to learn from the earthquakes for the future.